Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So yeah, still on the Restream matter. Pay attention. I'll be sharing with you guys 5 things you must have at the back of your mind before you start Restreaming to get a very successful Restream. I already told you guys I'll give you enough information on how to use Restream to avoid issues. The pros and cons of Restream, things to avoid on Restream, how to avoid copyright issues on Restream, how to get views on Restream, but you can actually stream on YouTube and you're not getting views. And then the good side and bad side of using Restream, I will also share with you guys. I'm not stingy with information like this. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications. And if you've already subscribed, you know I love you. Do stay subscribed. Now, without much ado, let's get into it. Number one thing to have at the back of your mind, you need a very strong internet connection. God, as strong as, oh Jesus Christ, Olumo Rock, it has to be strong. If your internet connection is not strong, your streaming has tendencies of ending without even you knowing, without your knowledge. You'll be there thinking that your stream is ongoing and you might be there washing plates or cooking or even sleeping. By the time you wake up, you see that your streaming ended 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 1 hour ago. I'm talking based on experience because I already got 2 channels monetized using this Restream. 2 channels in just 2 months using this Restream. So I got a lot of Jesus experience on this thing. And some of these things I experienced, some of these creators did not share with us. They did not tell me. They only told us the good side of it. They kept the bad side. But I am here to show it to you guys, both the good and the bad, so that have it at the back of your mind. So you need a very good internet connection, a very strong one, so that your streamings don't end abruptly or without you even knowing. Okay, now the second thing you should have in mind, oh my god, you need enough data. Restream will drain your battery. It will drain your data too. Oh God. Just being on YouTube alone, watching videos, all of those things even drains battery and data. Now imagine what happens when you're actually live streaming for long hours. You have to make sure that before you even start your next live stream, you check your data to know that you have enough MB remaining on your phone before you start the next live stream. Because you might not even be aware of this thing. You now start your live stream and maybe 2 hours or 3 hours after you started your live stream, data is finishing already. Data has finished. And before you even go and start recharging and buying data and coming back, the streaming has ended. So please make sure that you have enough data. So for each time you want to start your streaming, make sure that you have enough data in your phone before you start your next streaming. Very, very important. Unless maybe you don't have time to stream for long hours, maybe you want to stream for like only 1 or 2 hours, it's fine. But if you have intention of streaming for long hours, please buy data and keep. The third thing you should also have in mind, a requirement, please, you need constant lights. You need to have steady supply of lights before you start Restreaming. Restream drains battery. It will drain battery because now it's already needing enough data connection, strong one, and it is draining your data. Now it needs battery, it needs lights to continue because the battery goes off fast. They'll tell you that you can have 100% battery and stream for long hours. It's not true. It's not. Don't fall for that. If you're having 100% battery, yeah, that's when it's just going to last for like 2 hours or 3, maybe. If you're lucky enough, might even go off before then. So if you need to stream, please make sure your phone is plugged to the lights before you start your streaming. Because if your battery should go off, the streaming will end on its own. If you don't have lights, plug your phone to a power bank. Leave it on the power bank and you can go and do whatever you want to do if you don't have lights. Okay? Expect overheating. Your phone will surely overheat. Mark my words, your phone will overheat. You touch the back of your phone, it will be hot, like it came from a frying pan. And I really don't understand why it's like that. Even without you plugging your phone to the socket, let's say your battery is full already, 30 minutes into your streaming, touch the back of your phone, you will see how hot the phone is. Now imagine what happens when you don't plug it to the lights. What I normally do, I also recommend you do the same thing, is keep the phone in a cool place so that even if it's overheating, the temperature is calming it down. Or if you have a table fan, you keep your phone on the table or on the bed and then position the fan towards the phone. So as the phone is overheating, the fan is blowing on the phone and the phone's head is cooling down. That way, it will not overheat too much, because if the phone overheats too much and maybe it's even plugged to the socket, you will have to unplug. Or maybe if you have a ceiling fan, place the phone under the fan so that as it's overheating, the fan is cooling it down. Okay, now the fifth thing you should also have at the back of your mind, be there to monitor your live streams. No matter what they tell you that you can be on Restream and be doing something else, it's true. You can be streaming on your phone and be doing something else in the kitchen, but you have to be monitoring that your live stream. Just like Mother Hen watches over her chick, you have to monitor that live stream because you might be there cooking your egusi and your banga soup. You will not even know that the live stream is about to end because the network is unstable. You might be with your phone and the network is very stable, everything is going smoothly. But what happens when you leave there? Are you sure that something will not go wrong? So you have to keep coming back to be checking just in case. And peradventure, you notice that your streaming is about to end. Maybe the network is not stable. Don't refresh the page. Just put your phone on airplane mode, remove it again, and allow it to reconnect back on its own. That way, it will save your stream from ending just like that. Okay? Apart from even that, you might be streaming and then maybe something might be wrong with that your restream. You will not really know. YouTube will detect something off and send you an email warning you to end the live stream. If you're not there to end your live stream, how would you know? But imagine you're monitoring your live stream and you see something off. YouTube asking you to end the live stream. You have to end it. Because if you don't end it and 1 hour later they now send you another email. Next email they are sending you is them taking action. And once they're taking action, they are taking down your live stream. And when they're taking down your live stream, they give you a copyright strike. Which is not nice as it will even affect your monetization. So make sure that you keep an eye on your free stream. Even if you want to sleep at night, please wake up every 30 minutes to check your live stream. Or once you open your eyes, jump from your bed and go and check your stream to show that everything is working fine. Okay, just these 5 tips will help you to get a very successful stream. Okay, number one, strong data connection. Two, enough data. Three, you need light. Four, inspect overheating. Five, monitor the live stream. Okay, very, very important. Now you can also check my description for other videos I made about Restream. I have a lot of information there for you, waiting for you to, check out. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, okay? Do well to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet subscribed. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. See you babies when I see you. Bye.